garlic, onion. Add half kg meat, beef or mutton. Add 2 cups of water. Add coriander, seeds crushed. Add cumin, seeds crushed. Curry powder. Add turmeric powder. Add white vinegar, 1 tsp. Salt to taste. Add tomato. Mix and the whistle. Meat cook 95%. Dry the water. Add oil. Mix well. Oil should be separate. Add red chili. Mix, mix, mix. Add crushed ginger and green chilies. Mix, mix, mix. Add fresh green peas. Mix well. Fry well and add half cup water. Whistle for 1 minute. Garnish with green coriander. Like, share, subscribe. Today's special menu. Thanks for watch at your account. Coon Food Official.